All right, guys, in this video, we're going to be adding decimals. Our first problem here is 0.5 plus 0.5. And we're going to rewrite this in addition form. So 0.5 plus 0.5. And what we're going to do first is just act like this is just 5 plus 5 and ignore the 0 and the decimal point. So 5 plus 5 is 10, so we just write 10. And now, as you can see, the decimal points are aligned. So all we have to do is just drop them right here in the middle of the 1 and 0. So we just drop this right down, and this equals 1.0. And 1.0 is the same thing as just 1. So our answer is 1.
All right, so in this problem, we have 16.3 plus 4.9. So we're going to write this in addition form as 16.3 plus 4.9. Now, we can actually ignore this decimal point and think of it as just normal addition. So we have 9 plus 3, which is 12. We have 4 plus 6 plus 1, which is 11. We have 1 plus 1, which is 2, and we have 212. Now, since these two decimal points are aligned, we have to just drop them down right here, and our answer is 21.2.
All right, so we're actually going to do a similar problem to 16.3 plus 4.9, but it's actually just going to be a little different. So 16.3 plus, instead of 4.9, we're actually going to do 0.49. And I'm going to put this in addition form. So 16.3 plus, and this time, instead of just doing 0.49 like this, we're going to actually want to align the two decimal points. And remember, whenever you're adding decimals, you always want to make sure that the decimal points are aligned. So this is actually going to be, the point's actually going to be right below the other point for the 16.3. So it's going to be like this. And the 3 and 4 actually have to be aligned. And then we just write the 9 over here. And you might be wondering, there's an empty space above the 9. What are we about to do? We're actually going to add a 0 over here. So now we just add these like normal. 0 plus 9 is 9. 4 plus 3 is 7. And 16 plus 0 is 16. And now, because the two decimal points are aligned, we could just simply just drop them down. So this equals 16.79. So that's our answer.